In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the art sign on your keyboard and insert it into a text. Now, in most cases, keyboards don't come with art sign displayed, and you have to find a way to go about it. Now, for instance, I have this blank document and I'd like to write an email. And to write this email, I'll need to insert an art at one point. So for instance, I want to write this email, aminutewithai@gmail.com. And if I go to the keyboard, I can't see the art sign. Now what you need to do if you can't see the art sign, so if you can't see the art sign on your keyboard, all you need to do is to press the shift and then combine the shift with 2. So shift plus 2, you will see art inserted. So I'll go ahead and do the same here. I'll press shift down and then press number 2 on the keyboard. And as you can see, the art sign has been inserted, and then I'll complete gmail.com. So anytime you want to insert art on any document or at any place, just use a combination of shift and then number 2 on your keyboard. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.